Kashif Jamshed, lecturer at Air University English Department, talking about the training that we are having at English Department now. I've attended that training and I found it quite useful for the teachers because this training is to bridge the gaps between technology and teaching. So it is making many of the teachers aware about how technology can be incorporated in language classrooms and how it can assist in making lesson plans, preparing lectures and then delivering lectures, and even they are helpful in assessment as well. So there are so many tools that we learned in this workshop or in this training, and we learned how these tools like, for example, ChatGPT, AI Snapchat, Gamma, Chatbox, Bard by Microsoft, Youglish, etc., how we can use them to make our lectures interactive for the students, and how we can also use these tools to basically to teach students, to assist students in learning different language skills. Thank you so much.